I feel like it's extremely important to have these extra vocational classes because they can go into a welding job or some sort of job that has to do with fabrication, and they can make some really good money right out of high school.
This class itself is important since you get to do social skills and learn to work together with people in a group and how to plan things out. I will take it again next year, and it will probably prepare me the most for my future for after school, so I'll be able to get into a job more easily and be able to understand the work area before going in.
What I hope that welding will help me accomplish in the future is the ability to know how all of these work, so when I go into the workforce, I can do this as a living.
I really enjoy being a CTE teacher. I love being with these students. They really boost my morale as I boost theirs, and I hope that they choose to be welders.